Want faster hair growth? Stop wasting your hair mask. Slapping it on in the shower and aggressively rubbing it in is not a strategy. Today, we are converting that random shower habit into a strict, science-backed scalp routine designed for maximum absorption. To do this right, standard tools won't cut it. You need a specific toolkit: a clarifier, a microfiber towel, targeted masks, a heat cap, and a leave-in treatment. Here is what happens when you apply a mask to soaking wet hair in a hot shower. The strand absorbs too much water too fast, swelling the cuticle until the outer layers literally fracture. That is hygral fatigue. When you fix your application technique, you stop fracturing your strands and start retaining length, instead of washing expensive active ingredients straight down the drain. It is highly unlikely your hair mask can penetrate the strand if you just washed it with a standard shampoo. This diagram shows a follicle blocked by styling buildup and pollution, stopping nutrients from entering. A clarifying wash breaks down this barrier and dissolves the debris. Gentle scalp exfoliation then stimulates the underlying blood vessels, prepping the newly cleared follicles to actively take in nutrients. Clearing out this cellular pathway separates a superficial shower wash from a true physiological treatment canvas. The most common point of failure happens the second you turn off the water, applying the product immediately to dripping wet hair. Excess water on soaking strands actively repels the treatment, diluting the active ingredients before they can settle on the hair shaft. Your hair needs to be towel damp. Using a microfiber towel extracts the excess water without creating friction, leaving the exact moisture level required for penetration. Strictly controlling this water-to-product ratio guarantees the ingredients actually absorb into the hair fiber rather than sliding right off. Now that your canvas is prepped, you have to treat the head as distinct biological zones. Each area requires a specific chemical treatment. Zone 1 is your scalp, requiring root-safe formulas directly on the skin. Zone 2 covers mid-lengths and ends, requiring dense, protein-rich formulas to rebuild structure. Getting the product onto those zones correctly is the next hurdle. Most people rake the mask through their hair, pulling tightly with their fingers. Raking creates severe mechanical tension. It causes uneven product coverage and forces fragile, damp strands to stretch and snap. The scientific alternative is shingling. You gently smooth the thick product downward over a single section, coating the strands perfectly evenly without inducing any tension. Targeted zoning paired with tension-free application ensures that active ingredients repair damage without causing new breakage in the process. With the product applied, it is time for activation. Tools like heat caps or steamers initiate the chemical processing phase. The heat exerts a mechanical action, gently lifting the hair cuticle scales to allow for deeper delivery of the active ingredients. A dangerous misconception here is assuming that leaving a mask on overnight will somehow result in extra moisture. Exceeding the recommended wear time creates a breeding ground for bacterial overgrowth, leading directly to severe scalp irritation. If your hair is easily weighed down, consider the newer flash masking approach. It uses shorter contact times done more frequently, avoiding long, drawn-out deep conditioning sessions. Strict adherence to the label's processing time is the hard boundary between deep nourishment and scalp degradation. The final rinse serves as the critical locking mechanism for the entire routine. For this final phase, cold water is strictly required. Cold water forces the cuticle to rapidly contract and seal. That reaction smooths the fiber and traps the nutrients inside the shaft, generating structural shine. The last protective measure is applying a lightweight, pH-balanced leave-in conditioner. This guards your freshly sealed hair against hard water mineral deposits. Temperature control during the final rinse is the definitive action that turns a temporary product application into lasting structural health. When you execute this routine correctly, dull and weighed-down hair is replaced by a glossy, highly defined, and structurally healthy result. To maintain this, you need to translate this single session into a long-term masking schedule. That frequency should be dictated entirely by your individual hair porosity and specific growth goals. Remember the non-negotiable operational sequence: prep, apply, activate, and rinse, in that exact order, every single time. Skip a step, and you leave results on the table. Look back at your own routine. Which critical step were you skipping before watching this tutorial? Tell me in the comments below.